what's really going on. Bitcoin cryptocurrency, we're looking at XRP price action continuing to interact with technical support here. $1.02 still trying to hold price action as buy pressure and support. We need daily candles opening and closing with their bodies and wicks above this key level to further fully confirm it as support, in my opinion. We have local resistance overhead. Currently the 0.5 Fibonacci Illuminati level, $1.06 is giving us a hard time as resistance, and so price action is looking for stronger support, in my opinion. We do have the 200 daily moving average below here, which would be a bullish area of buy pressure, and the more bullish bounces we can have off of it, the more comfortably bullish we can be on the continuation of the longer term uptrend. I do believe an uptrend is forming, suggested by prices being above this 200 daily moving average. We have a stronger area of technical support here waiting for us. 95 cents is going to be a key area of technical support and buy pressure, awaiting price action in any sort of move downward here. We are slightly bearish on XRP in the immediate short term, as we are under the influence of a bearish combination of robo advisors that have been suggesting downside ever since the 23rd of November here. So perhaps a more comfortably bullish area of accumulation is approaching here. We are coming out of an interaction with significant resistance overhead, $1.22, awaiting price action as resistance. Once we make our way upward here, we're looking out for further support confirmed down below. This combination of robo advisors has allowed you to experience up to 93% in upside over the following 40 days after 2 of our chosen 3 robo advisors became bullish. And if you weren't able to sell at that swing high, you were able to capitalize on 44% ROI when our EngineeringRobo became bearish on price action. And after these sell signals, we've experienced up to 19% in downside before becoming bullish again. And throughout October here, we haven't experienced some very bullish consolidation and accumulation above this 200 daily moving average. In my opinion, is very bullish for us. We even have price action bullish enough to print these buy signals. EngineeringRobo was very bullish on continued upside. However, an abrupt change in momentum has prolonged this phase of accumulation that we appear to have been in ever since interacting with this 95 cent level back at the sort of second week of August here. We have prices coming from 95 cents interacting with $1.22 as resistance, returning to 95 cents, only to then again be rejected off of 122. So in my opinion, we are looking for what appears to be 96 cents again as potential support. And if we were to experience downside similar to the previous combination of sell signals, they would still bring XRP into a range where we have experienced buy pressure and support. So I am still bullish on XRP's continued upside here. Once support has been found, we're looking out for these technical key confirmations, and we are awaiting some buy signals to return to become more comfortably bullish on the upside. Let me know where you think prices will go down below. Now, REQ, Request Network Coin price action. This is an update on price action. In our previous analysis video, prices were interacting with this 21 cent key level here. I was suggesting it may be support for us. Daily candles were to continue to open and close above it. This would confirm it as support. However, I was suggesting, based off of significant interactions with resistance overhead, 24 cents, that we are likely to make our way to a more bullish area of support waiting for us all the way down at 18 cents. Whereas you can see price action after interacting with 24 cents as resistance, again after that analysis, we've bounced off of 18 cents, the most bullish area of accumulation, it would appear. And since that interaction with 18 cents, if I just zoom out here slightly, since bouncing off of my support line at 18 cents, we have experienced up to what appears to be 421% in upside over the following 6 days, still currently sitting on 277% in gains since interacting with my suggested bullish area of support here. An easy 5x returns on your money after buying at my support. Currently, we have all 3 of our chosen robo advisors back to bullish on price action with yesterday's daily candle. However, after a very bullish move like that in a very short amount of time, hundreds of percentages in upside in just a few days, you can very much anticipate some sideways, a retracement, a pullback, some accumulation to follow a move like this. Anticipating near current levels may be subject to the highest chance of short-term downside as we re-establish support through this uptrend forming. So we are still bullish on continued upside as long as these buy signals are present. We're just waiting for potentially a further interactions with support, a key level we may return to if we consider the top of this candle here. This could be the key area of support waiting for us. 43 cents seems to be a key level that we may have a retracement all the way back down to and confirm as support before the uptrend can continue. So however, we always need these technical key confirmations. EngineeringRobo has been bullish on price action with this early bird coming in throughout the end of September. We have the buy 2 on the 12th of October, and even the golden cross printing on the 19th of October. So we have interaction with some bullish buy signals throughout October here for this coin. Throughout this accumulation, you were given the support and resistance key levels that we've had some very nice interaction with. EngineeringRobo members would have known to stick to their original analysis and held through these sell signals that became present, and movements like these are necessary for upward movements like this to occur. So so even with these sell signals present, EngineeringRobo members would have known to hold through this sideways, as we were still supported by other factors suggesting continued upside here. And so if you accumulated at my support level, you would have experienced up to 5x returns on your money in just under a week. So let me know what you're doing with this coin at current levels. I wouldn't FOMO in. If I were you, in my personal opinion, I would allow support to be determined and confirmed. Let me know if you made 5x returns on your money down in the comments below. Now, KMD Komodo coin against Tether price action, interacting with this very bullish area of support suggested in the previous analysis video on this coin that we posted throughout the beginning of the month. I believe price action was interacting with this $1 key level here. I was suggesting that a more bullish interaction with support may be necessary due to some technical factors such as the sell signals present and prices being below this 200 daily moving average. Since then, we have made our way all the way down to the most bullish area of accumulations suggested in the previous video. 85 cents has been a very bullish area of support here for us, currently returning past that $1 key level here, now awaiting to confirm that as support, in my opinion, as we are beginning to be supported by some buy signals as we approach the underside of this 200 daily moving average. So lots going on for this coin now currently as we near the end of this accumulation. In my opinion, I do believe we are very bullish on continued upside once support has been confirmed, and we can get some buy signals to come into play as well. This buy 2 has returned on the 25th of November here. This buy 4 is awaiting to return with today's daily candle, but we need this daily candle to close to confirm this buy 4 as a signal on the chart. And so if this buy 4 were to remain with today's daily candle close, we can confirm that as 2 of our chosen 3 robo advisors bullish on price action, further confirming comfortable areas of accumulation. And so once these buy signals return, I'm looking for confirmations of $1 as support, daily candles opening and closing above it, confirming it as support. The strongest area of support is still going to be 85 cents. We're looking out for short-term resistance and sell pressure potentially off of this 200 daily moving average at the moment, above price action awaiting us as resistance. We'll need to break above it and perhaps confirm it as support. Once support has been established, which I do believe is 85 cents here, my immediate short-term target for this coin is $1.35 as my target for immediate short-term resistance overhead. Once we've broken it and confirmed it as support, I anticipate this coin reaching $2.11 in its sort of coming sort of immediate short term here once support has been established. So these are my targets for the upside once we've gotten out of this phase of accumulation here. Always wait for the key technical key confirmations. However, in my opinion, I anticipate this break upward once we are ready. We're waiting for our second buy signal. We're waiting for prices above this 200 daily MA. This previous combination of robo advisors has enabled you to see up to 80% in gains over the following 31 days after those buy signals came into play. And if you weren't able to sell at that swing high, you were still able to capitalize on 23% ROI with EngineeringRobo's sell signals. So easy capitalization on gains on this coin with EngineeringRobo's buy and sell suggestions. And since those sell signals, we've experienced up to 27% in downside as we await the comfortably bullish area of accumulation, which does appear to be near current levels as we await further confirmations of this break upward here. So let me know where you think prices will go down below. Let me know a coin you'd like to see in the next video. Now, Ethereum price action still experiencing tremendous buy pressure here through this phase of accumulation and sideways. Traders are definitely accumulating through this sideways price action that we've been experiencing ever since the end of October here. Price action now under the influence of this buy 2 returning into play here. We now have buy signals trying to return through through this phase of sideways, suggesting things are still very much bullish, and we are just further awaiting the final areas of support that need to be confirmed before we can see some euphoric upside here. So I'm still very bullish on continued gains. Watch out for resistance overhead. $4,606 is still resistance. $4,392 per Ethereum may be waiting for us down below as support. We also have some key levels to consider all the way down to $3,936 as well. So we're looking out for more buy signals to return to become more comfortably bullish. We're looking out for continued interactions with support. Watch out for resistance overhead. Let me know where you think Ethereum will go down below. Now, Bitcoin, crypto, the currency currently interacting with $58,800 per Bitcoin. This is the key level we need to confirm as support or resistance. Currently, it is resistance in my opinion until daily candles can open and close bodies and wicks fully above it. That would reconfirm this level as support. We can then start using it as a bullish area of accumulation as we await this overhead resistance through this very tight range that we've been interacting with throughout October here as we make our way toward resistance overhead. $64,828 per Bitcoin. So we are just in this phase of sideways accumulation. This is a very bullish time to be buying Bitcoin in my opinion. If resistance overhead persists, we can anticipate continued interactions with $55,600 per Bitcoin as support, which you've been experiencing buy pressure off of so far. We also have $52,689 per Bitcoin awaiting us as support as well. The most bullish area of strongest support is still $48,437 per Bitcoin, and I can still be very bullish on continued upside even with a $48,000 Bitcoin, and I personally can still anticipate a six-figure Bitcoin by early next year in my opinion, even if we are interacting with the $48,000 level in the immediate short term. Any sort of downside or sideways that we continue to experience is very bullish for us in the longer term uptrend. We are well above this 200 daily moving average, suggesting an uptrend overall. Bullish bounces and interactions with it would further strengthen the health of the uptrend. So in my opinion, we are still very much in an uptrend, and every uptrend requires pullbacks and retracements. As we can see, Bitcoin is very much able to withstand up to 24% in downside, even much greater under certain circumstances. But recently we've experienced a 24% reduction in value, only to find support, break all-time highs, and then pull back again. What appears to be up to 19% in downside, currently only 14% down since the all-time high swing high. So in my opinion, this retracement may not be over just yet, and a 10, 20, 30% pullback for Bitcoin is very normal for crypto in my opinion. Let me know where you think price action will go down below. What are your thoughts on Bitcoin at current levels? Are you bullish or are you bearish? Are you buying or selling here? Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for hearing my analysis. Check out EngineeringRobo for free with a link in the description. Subscribe here on YouTube. Check out all the other social media down below and tune in for the next one.